Love, man. Shout out presented by $13,000 in that bitch today, man, because this shit's fire. You know what I'm saying? So much love, London. I love you.
Forma.
What's up, guys? It's Linny, aka L Sneaks, represented by, and alongside me I have Toronto's waviest singer, rapper, producer, Mr. Tory Lanez. How are you, man?
Hey, everybody, how we doing?
Listen, welcome to London and welcome to Presented By. It's a pleasure to have you here.
This is the best store. Before we start, this is the best sneaker store in London, period, point.
Yes.
Not even just sneaker store, but just for like dope, rare stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is the spot that we gotta be at. So, you know, we come to Presented By for that.
Being from Canada, before moving to Miami, how was the sneaker game like?
I know Jordans were always a big thing for us coming up.
Yeah.
It was always about who had like the retro Jordans and like who had like, instead of having the newest ones, you had the actual like retro real ones.
Right.
And the OG, the Raptor 7s, like those were like very big.
Yeah.
In Toronto, of course. One other shoe that I just remember that was like super crazy when it came out was the I believe it was the Cool Grays. When the Cool Gray 11s came out in Toronto, I remember like cats was getting shot over those shoes. Like, it was crazy. Yeah, it was crazy.
Did you ever cop a pair of the Toronto 7s, the Raptor 7s?
Yeah, I had like 2-3 pairs in my life.
You still got them?
Nah, I don't. I can't even lie about it. And if I do, they're still at like my mom, like not my real mom, but Jay's mom, which is like my mom, but whatever. She's the shoes would probably be at her place and they'll be like tarnished right now.
Damn.
Maybe finished.
I read that you don't have a stylist and you handpick everything that you wear, from sneakers to apparel. What's the reason behind that?
I don't know. I just don't really like somebody running behind me like that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I like what I like, and a lot of times, like, when people try to style me, I feel like it just doesn't really work out as well. Like, see, like what I'm wearing right now, I'm just comfortable, you know what I'm saying? But like, what people feel like should be comfortable for me is not necessarily comfortable for me.
Got you.
You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I like to dress how I like to dress. I don't really, you know what I'm saying? I have a thing for picking out jackets, specific jackets and sneakers are like my biggest thing. Like, I love jackets, like all kinds of statement pieces. My no matter what, like even my jacket has to have some sort of statement piece to it, like some sort of something. I just like, you know, jackets and sneakers are my biggest thing.
Alright, now Tory, Memories Don't Die is out. Congrats. Top 10 in the UK, number 1 in Canada.
Yeah.
How does it feel, man?
It feels incredible. Just like seeing the echelons and the fact that I ain't put no single out and it's doing better than my first album, which had 2 major singles. That's big to me. That just means that it's growing, you know what I'm saying? And as long as we're not taking no back steps, that's the biggest thing to me.
For sure. Well, look, thank you, Tory, for coming out. You know, we really appreciate you. Listen, we're going to make sure we're going to hook you up some nice gears today. Yeah. He's been picking up stuff already, man. He's been raiding this store, so Tory Lanez is in the building. Thank you.
Shout out presented by $13,000 in that bitch today, man, because this shit's fire. You know what I'm saying? So much love, London. I know.